Okay, on to the next step. I know you can do this. Just keep watching. Don't pay an electrician to come out. You pay someone to come out. They're going to charge you like for their labor for service call, probably $95 to $125 plus the part. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain to you where I got this. And I probably saved, no joke, I probably saved about, I'm going to guess maybe 20 bucks by the way I'm going to show you how you're going to buy this timer. Okay, you ready for this? Keep watching. Okay, I told you how I'm going to save money by this timer. It cracked me up. The first time I went and got one of these timers, incidentally, I went to Home Depot. They did not have these, and I think Lowe's did not have these either, and I don't think Ace has them. They have some timers, and maybe not the very same one, but I couldn't find any 4 hours timers, okay? And I'm not sure if they were Intermatic or not, but I went to an electrical wholesale house, and I told them what I wanted. They had them. Sure enough, they had them. They were like $42 or something, and then they didn't even have them in stock. He had to special order it. He then charged me the shipping fee, and I had to drive all the way back to the other side of the island twice. First to go get them, and then they didn't have them in stock. Then drove all the way back, and then a week later I had to call them, and sure enough they had them. He was saving two for me, and I went back out there, drove all the way back over there to get them. I don't know, $42 or something each, and then shipping on top of that. Nothing doing after that. I thought, hey, that's crazy. We're talking crazy money now. I thought, is there another way to order this? And sure enough, what do you suppose I did? I went to Amazon. Believe it or not, they had these, and they had them for like, I forget what it was, $26 each? Something like that. And I almost saved like $20 each. And if lots of times, here's another tip for you. If you only need one, maybe you don't have enough money, maybe you don't spend enough. You have to spend X amount of dollars before sometimes they'll give you free shipping, depending what you buy, okay? So I went ahead and I bought 2 timers, and it was free shipping, and it was shipped right to my door, and they were in stock, and it didn't take very long to do it. And I saved about, plus the shipping, I must have saved, I'm going to guess $65, $75 because I had to pay for the shipping. You go to an electrical wholesale house now, maybe they have them in stock, and you got to pay $42, $44 each for these timers, okay? You go on my site, and I should have a place where you can click on there, and it will take you directly to Amazon, and you can buy your own Intermatic timers. Or if you don't need a 4-hour timer, you want a 2-hour timer, hey, click on the Amazon link and see what they have. 2-hour, 4-hour, 8-hour, 10-hour, 12-hour. I think they got all those. Like I said, I don't think they have 6, but you could prove me wrong and tell me later. Okay, so lots of times I'll go to Amazon. When all else fails, check Amazon out. You can always go to Amazon. If you're on my site and you want to get something, just remember, click on the Amazon site there and go do your shopping right from there. There's a tip for you.